Hi guys, it's Darcy, and earlier on I made some slime. It's just in the freezer right now, and I only made it with like loads of soap and everything. I'll show you. So I'm just taking it out now. This is what it looks like.
Darcy, put it in room, look.
Alright. Gotta do it in the room because my mum was doing tea. Okay. Sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna have to take my rings off, aren't I? I had to do that because I needed to make it slippery to take these ones. I'm like, you could wash yourself with this slime. It's so awkward. I'm really... It looks like that so far. I think it needs a bit more like timing. This is definitely slime though. What? Sorry. I'm just going to show my sister that. So like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to show you the slime, the actual slime. So like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.